I'm Jamie with Coastal Business Supplies. In this video, we are going to work with Siser vinyl. Stay tuned. Okay, so today we are going to work with Siser heat transfer vinyl. We have standard EasyWeed vinyl and we have glitter flake vinyl. So we are going to do 2 presses today. We are going to do a birthday shirt. So we have a little shirt here. So first thing we're gonna do is we are going to pre-press our shirt to get any moisture out and any wrinkles that could be in the garment out. So. And I usually just press for a few seconds, 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, so first we're going to do our first design. We have a purple. And I'm going to cover with Teflon. You can also use silicone sheets. We're going to press at 305 degrees for 15 seconds at a firm pressure. You always want to be very careful with your pressure. Do not go too heavy because sometimes it can reactivate the adhesive in the vinyl and that can cause durability issues. Okay, so we're going to take this off. We are going to remove, it's a hot peel. And since this isn't directly layered on top of each other, I'm just going to move my vinyl somewhat off and then do the second, which is the glitter. And so we're gonna go to 320 degrees for glitter for 15 seconds. Okay, and again, we're gonna cover with our Teflon sheet. Again, you can use a silicone sheet. And we're just gonna give it a few minutes to warm up. Okay, so now we're ready to press. So again, 320 degrees for 15 seconds at a firm pressure. And then again, this is a hot peel. It just comes off nice and smooth. And you have a I Am 5 t-shirt. So vinyl is great for doing either single color or you can do multiple color or multiple designs that Siser has. So this is glitter flake, this is standard EasyWeed. Of course, Siser has stretch and electric, so there are a lot of different options and colors out there for you. So anything to your choosing. Thank you for watching our video tutorial and we'll see you next time.